One thing that's really great about the Squarespace editing platform is that you can save and duplicate sections on your website that you really like the design of. So let's say you have your Embark template. I'm using the birthwork one as an example. And let's say you want to add another testimonial onto your About page. So you have one on the home page, but you have another one that you want to highlight on your website, and you have found a place on the About page to add it. So what you can do is click Edit. And this goes for any section on the site. I'm just going to use this testimonial section as an example. And you can click this heart button. And this heart button will be to save a section. It's already saved here. So once you click that, you can just exit out. And then what you can do is navigate to where you want to put the new section on your site. So I'm going to go to the About page and scroll down. And you can add, let's say you want to add it between this footer and the call to action section here. So what you can do is click Edit, scroll to where you'd like. So add a section between these two. And when this editor pops up, you can click Save Section, and you can click this. And when you click that, it will just populate in here. You can edit the text as normal. That will just be a simple text editor. And then you can click Save and Exit. And then you'll see that you have now added the new section here on your site without having to redesign or rebuild anything. So that can be a really great way to kind of continue adding onto your site while keeping the branding and the design in place.